Hello friends, welcome to Happy Home YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review a 4-burner gas stove. In our home, already we have a Prestige 3-burner gas stove. Inspired by its performance, now again we purchased a 4-burner gas stove from the same company. The model which we purchased is Prestige Magic. In 4-burner gas stove, we have two variants, GTMC04 SQ and GTMC04L. I preferred for GTMC04L because in SQ, while we operate the burner at the backer end, we may get hurt by the heat produced by the burner at the front end. So I preferred for GTMC04L where the burners are aligned in a line. And don't worry about the chimneys, whether it matches with your stove as it is very lengthier. In our home, we have purchased Elica chimney and it goes well with the stove. Having a 4-burner gas stove makes your cooking faster and smarter. As in India, we used to have 3 to 4 side dish for a single meal. Soon you will get your cooking video with this stove. It gonna reduce the time which we spend in the kitchen. Comes with 2 years warranty, classy design with attractive look, elegant toughened black glass top, elegantly designed knobs for convenient usage, spill-proof design. To those who are in mindset to shift from normal steel top gas stove to glass top, you can surely perfectly go for it, as it is very safe, and the only thing we need to remember as a safety measure is don't keep overheated vessel over the glass top, as it may break the glass. As we are using 3-burner glass top from Prestige for more than 6 years, I assure you it is completely safe to use a glass top stove. Make your kitchen a glassy one. Thank you.